has had an indelible mark on the film fraternity as well as, of course, touched the lives of people. Of course, many people have condoled the demise of Dharmendra Ji. The first one, of course, right over here on our screens is the Prime Minister taking to social media platform X. He said that the passing of Dharmendra Ji marks the end of an era in Indian cinema. He was an iconic film personality, a phenomenal actor who brought charm and depth to every role he played. The manner in which he played diverse roles struck a chord with countless people. Dharmendra Ji was equally admired for his simplicity, humility, and warmth. In this sad hour, my thoughts are with his family, friends, and of course his fans. Om Shanti. Another one that we're tracking is by the President of India, Draupadi Murmu. She said that the demise of veteran actor and former Member of Parliament Shri Dharmendra Ji is a great loss to every Indian, in fact, a loss to Indian cinema. One of the most popular actors, he delivered numerous memorable performances during his decade-long illustrious career. As a towering figure of the Indian cinema, he leaves behind a legacy which will continue to inspire young generations of artists. My heartfelt condolences to his family, friends, and admirers. And another one that has been issued by Union Home Minister Amit Shah, the demise of Dharmendra Ji, who touched the hearts of every citizen for 6 decades with his finest acting, is an irreparable loss for the Indian cinema world. Coming from an ordinary family, he created his indelible identity in the film industry. Dharmendra Ji was one of those select actors whose every character he touched came alive, and through his very art, he won the hearts of millions of viewers across all age groups. Through his acting, he will always remain among us. May God grant a place at his sacred feet to his noble soul and bestow strength upon his family and admirers to bear this sorrow. Om Shanti. So, of course, there are statements that are being made. Of course, one over here talking about the indelible mark that he's had on the film fraternity, on the lives of people, how his art has inspired so many people, the young generations as well. Another one that has been issued by the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Devendra Fadnavis, he said that I'm stunned by the news of the demise of the legendary actor of Indian cinema world and the renowned he-man of Bollywood, Shri Dharmendra Ji. With his acting in super hit films like Sholay, Dharamveer, Chupke Chupke, Mere Gaon Mere Desh, and many others that he's spoken about, Rocky or Rani Ki Prem Kahani, he ruled the hearts of audiences for years. The record of delivering 9 hit films in a single year is registered in his name. So, of course, talking about some of the major things that have happened in his career, the 9 hit films, of course, mentioned over here, the dialogue from these films are still etched in our minds and will remain there forever. One that has been issued by Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, deeply anguished by the demise of legendary Hindi film actor and former MP Shri Dharmendra Ji. He brought life to many memorable characters with his unmatched charm and sincerity. His remarkable contribution to Indian cinema will always be remembered, and of course the heartfelt condolences that have been poured. Now let's also talk about the film fraternity and the kind of of course, the messages that have been put out. One that's been issued by Mr. Ajay Devgan, and he's of course said that he's heartbroken to hear about Dharmendra Ji. His warmth, generosity, and presence inspire generations of artists. The industry has lost a legend, and we've lost someone who shaped the very soul of our cinema. So again, many messages there coming out. Akshay Kumar, of course, taking to X, he's put out a visual also over here, and he's saying, growing up, Dharmendra Ji was the hero every boy wanted to be, and our industry's original He-Man. That's of course echoing at large. He's of course thanked him for inspiring the generations of actors, those who wanted to be actors, and he said that you live on through our films, in fact through your films and the love you have spread. Om Shanti. Now, Karan Johar has also put out a statement, and he's made it abundantly clear in the first sentence itself that it is an end of an era, a massive mega star, the embodiment of a hero in mainstream cinema, incredibly handsome and the most enigmatic screen presence. He is and will always be a bona fide legend of Indian cinema, defining and richly present in the pages of cinema history, but mostly he was the best human being. And of course, many statements that I've just read out, talk about how he was not just an icon in the film industry but also had a heart that was pure, and he was somebody who was looked up for his characters, his values, and much more than that as well. In fact, a statement that has been put out by Shikhar Dhawan, a very prominent cricketer, he said that you stood tall, not just in stature but in spirit. Dharmendra ji, thank you for showing us strength and, of course, the kind heart that he has. Kareena Kapoor has taken to platform Instagram. She's not necessarily put out a statement, but she has expressed her feelings right now through visuals. Of course, you can see the bonhomie that Dharmendra ji had with Raj Kapoor. There's of course a visual of them hugging. There's one that's been taken where one can see them dancing, and a very sweet moment there being captured. One that's been put out and a visual that has also been put out by Ranveer Singh. He's just put out a visual from the movie Rocky Aur Rani Ki Prem Kahani, and he's left it at that. Johnny Lever has put out a visual with Dharmendra ji, and he said, a great artist and an even greater human being, a superstar who was extremely humble and kind. We miss you, Dharmendra ji. My condolences and prayers to the entire family. Sanjay Dutt has taken to X. He has said some people don't just work, in fact, don't just work in your life, they live in your heart. Dharmendra ji was one of them. It's a void that can't be described. My thoughts are with Sunny, Bobby, and the entire family. Harbhajan, of course, a cricketer, has taken to X. He said, heartfelt tribute to Dharmendra ji, a timeless icon whose grace, strength, and unparalleled charm has left an everlasting mark on Indian cinema. From his powerful performances to his warmth, both on and off screen, he touched countless hearts and inspired many generations. Smriti Irani, of course, the former Union Minister, has taken to X. She said some artists don't just perform, they become a nation's shared memory. An entire generation learned the meaning of grace by watching Dharmendra ji on screen. Yet what truly defined him was the dignity with which he carried his fame. On screen, he brought power, humor, and emotions. Off screen, it was his humility that stayed with those who met him or admired him from afar. A statement that has been put out by Mr. Manoj Bajpayee, he's saying Dharmendra ji was my parents' favorite and one of my childhood heroes. He had a warmth you felt even before he spoke. His dignity, his humor, and the way he carried himself on and off screen left a deep mark on everyone who met him or watched him. One more that we're tracking over here has been put out by Kapil Sharma. He's saying, goodbye Dharmendra ji, your departure is extremely heartbreaking. It feels as though I've lost my father for the second time. The love and blessings you gave will always remain in my heart and in my memories. No one knew better than you how to settle into someone's heart in the moment. So like I said, people of course condoling the demise of Dharmendra ji. They've not just spoken about the kind of work that he's done. He's delivered in fact 300 films through the course of his career, but also talking about how he was a very pure person, how he was a very humorful person. He had a heart of gold is what everyone is in fact echoing at this point in time.
You know, Savri, this is, excuse me, this is very interesting because, you know, we're talking about his gregarious nature, his big heart, and like you're saying, you know, he had a heart of gold. He really went out of his way to help people. And viewers, there's this very interesting dialogue that I can recall at the moment. Now, Bada